Good morning, guys. Welcome to Vlogmas day 13. Okay, day 15 actually. I'm sorry about the glare in my glasses, but
I can't see.
so anyways, it is 1:47. I haven't done anything besides doing like my foundation and trying to catch up on some of your guys' videos. Let me show you guys the e-card of the day. So today is December 15. And today it says, my favorite thing about bundling up for winter is nobody knows when I'm not wearing a bra. That's funny. So there you have it. So right now I actually want to go to Family Dollar because I don't have no more dish soap, so I have to go get some, and I'm probably going to get milk, but I really need to go get dish soap, and I think I'm gonna go walking. Anyways, I'll see you guys in a bit. Alright, so I'm going to the store. Yesterday there was a dog running around the street. Hopefully he's not out here or else I'm gonna get attacked. But at least it's going to be something entertaining for you to watch if I get attacked. Family Dollar. And I need to get one of these blankets. I think I'm gonna get this one. Oh, should I get a basket? Oh, they're right here. Alright, so I just bought my stuff. I don't know why I said my stuff. Now I'm going home. It's funny because I only went to get dish soap and I ended up buying a whole bag of stuff. Okay, I am home and I did change my sweater because that was hot, and I put a thinner sweater, my Coca-Cola one. Anyways, I can't show you most of this stuff because it's like stocking stuffers that I don't want other people to see. But anyways, I could show you this, and it's this cute blanket. It has like little trucks and a tree. I bought dish soap. I bought more tape because I still need to wrap a few things, and I had ran out of tape, so that's why I got it. And then I got another box of cookies. These right here. These are really good. I just finished the box of cookies that we had. I finished them today. Oh, and I got some of these. And I also got the marshmallow covered, the chocolatey covered marshmallow Santas. And that's it. So now I'm going to be washing all of those dishes because it is a mess. So yeah, and then afterwards, I don't know. Okay, you guys, so I just finished doing my makeup. I'm not gonna show you what palette I use because it is for a collaboration video, and you guys will be able to see that video on December 17th. So yeah, right now it is 5:45 and I think I'm going to eat, but first I want to show you guys a few things that I got in the mail. But let's go over here to the living room.
Last Christmas, I gave you my heart.
Okay, so I'm going to show you guys the boxes right here. So I got 2 boxes in the mail the other day, and I actually forgot about them until today. I saw them and I'm like, oh, let me show them. And so the first one is from Pinchme. I will have their link in the description box if you guys want to check them out. It's completely free and they send you samples and whatnot. Let's open this up. So they sent me 2 things and some coupons. So the first thing that they sent me are these gummies, the Haribo Gold Bears. I'm hungry right now, so I'm gonna eat them. Okay, they taste pretty good. Okay, and the next product that I got, it is from Eva Nye Therapy Session Hair Mask, and this is what it looks like. I think I received a product from this brand in my Target advent calendar, but I think the other one was like a hairspray or something. But anyways, I'm really excited to try this out because it is a hair mask. It says with plant protein and argan oil, deeply conditions, hydrates, and smooths for all hair types. So I'll probably try out this hair mask tonight. Very excited about this. They also sent me, they sent me a band-aid. And this one is a Next Care Max Hold Waterproof Band-Aid. and it's just one band-aid right there. I'm not gonna open it because, well, I don't have no boo-boos right now. So that's that. And then I got a good for one free jar of Vero Gusto sauce. Cool. So I did get a coupon for a free sauce for this one right here. So I'm excited about this as well. Okay, now I'm going to show you what I got in my sampler box. And this is similar to Influencer and Pinchme and Buzz Agent. You do have to review everything. So I'm going to open this up. Okay, so ta-da, this is what it looks like. And it looks like they sent me some chips. And these are the veggie thins. So this is really interesting. I don't think I've ever tried any type of chips like this, obviously, because they look really healthy and I hardly buy healthy stuff. So I'm excited to try these out. I'll probably try them out today and see how I like them. Alright, the next thing that I got, it is from Persil Pro Clean Discs. And it's these right here, and I have already tried some of these that I got for free from Walmart, and I really liked it, so I'm super excited that I have another one. Okay, so the next product that I got, it is the Finish Jet Dry 23 washes. I think this is for like a dishwasher, I'm not sure, but this is what it looks like. It doesn't really say, it just says on the back, rinses, dries, and shines. And I don't have a dishwasher. Maybe I'll just use this as regular dish soap. And then I also got 2 cards. One is for the veggie thins. It's just information about the chips. And then the other card, it is a card from The Kit. And it says how to get perfect sample shot, lights, camera, action. So it's just pretty much information of how to take a picture of the products and how to review them and all of that. So yeah, and that's pretty much everything that I received for free. Look at my hairy child. He's waiting for me to open the advent calendars. And I'm going to start off with mine, with a Harry Potter one. This one right here. It looks pretty beat up already. So anyways, today is December 15. Okay, so December 15 is right here, and it's like a really small box. This box is definitely all beat up. So it looks like I got another eraser. So anyways, this is what the eraser looks like. I can't really see the design. Everything just blends in together, so I can't really see what it is. Now I'm going to open the Harry Children's Advent Calendars. And here they are. So this is Bartolo's Advent Calendar, Papa Tina. So this is day 13 right here. So let's see. Wow, Popeyes. Wow, mira, Popeyes. So they got 3 little biscuits. So these are for Bartolo. Here you go, my son. Oh no, you're dropping it. Here. Jesus Christ. Okay, now I'm going to open Bimbo's, and Bimbo's is right here as well. Advent calendar. So he also got 3 biscuits. Despacito, despacito. Good boy. Despacito means like slowly. Despacito, papas. Despacito, despacito. Good boy. It's because sometimes they just go and bite my hand. That's why I have to tell them despacito so they could grab it slowly. So anyways, that is all for the advent calendars today. I think it is time for me to eat, and so I will be doing that, and then I don't know what else I will be doing today. We will see.